Hola, gente hermosa, and welcome to my channel. And as seen by today's title, I have another unboxing for you, and this time is from Coach. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. Okay, so I got this bag and wallet from the Coach outlet. I do sometimes buy things from Coach itself, but only if it's on sale, because those prices can get expensive. So this came from the outlet. Online, that is, by the way, because they have an outlet store online and you can just shop that way. All right. Let's go ahead and get this box off the table. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the smallest item. So this is the wallet to match the bag, and I'm just going to insert the name of each item because I don't know it by heart and I don't even want to try to butcher the name. So this is how it looks. This is in the color chalk, and then it has saddle on the inside, and then it has the imitation gold. And this is just what the wallet looks like. And I think there's a pocket back here. This wallet is very compact but very roomy, has a lot of pockets, and then has a coin pouch back here. Oh wow, and then it also has another compartment back here for paper or cash. All right, let's go ahead and get into the bag. So this is, at least I know this one by heart. This is the Mollie Tote and the color chalk. So it does match the wallet. And it has, let me go ahead and get all this paper off before I continue talking. So on the inside, on this part and then the front right here, it is saddle. Now the pocket, I do not know what color this is. I want to say it's like, is it beechwood? No, beechwood is lighter. It's a reddish brown color. I don't know. Once I figure it out after I record this video, I will go ahead and let you all know. So as you see on this side, it has absolutely no pockets at all. Nothing, just a big, complete, empty compartment. And same thing with up here, but it also has the Coach emblem on the inside. And then it has this pocket in the middle, which is completely empty down the middle, but has another pocket right here. And also, you guys, you got to be careful when you buy things from like the outlets, because when they ship them with these in there. And if you walk into a store, they're going to think you stole something. But yeah, this is how this bag looks. And it's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really scared because I have a bag this same color, and it's the Coach Cassie 19, but it's a shoulder bag. But I've already got color transfer on that bag before, because it's also a crossbody bag, and my pants bled on the back of that bag, and I'm very nervous with wearing like a blue jean jacket with this bag. I guess I gotta just be extra cautious. But yeah, this is the Coach Mollie Tote and the color chalk. This is just what they look like side by side. This is a different textured leather. I really feel like this is cross grain leather. I'm not sure what the Mollie Tote is, like what kind of leather this is, but they still match regardless, and it doesn't matter. But yeah, these are the two together, and thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video and want to see more bag related videos, then please be sure to like, comment, or subscribe to this video in my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Love you. Bye.